Chris Weaver. I took the Anesthesia Technologist course. I'm working at the Nova Scotia, the Health Authority, Nova Scotia Health Authority, working in the ORs at both the Victoria General and the HI. The program's offered solely through Maritime Business College, so to get into the program, you've got to work your way through Maritime Business College. It certainly offered a lot of challenges. It's a very challenging program, and it certainly provides a lot of depth and scope to the program, so it worked out quite well. Yes, definitely. It's a really nice program. It's definitely an interesting job, nothing I've ever done before. So, my instructor was fantastic. Shirley's amazing, and she's been in the field for so many years, so she knows exactly what she's talking about. Well, this is the first job I've had that actually opens up opportunities for me to potentially progress if I want to, but right now I'm doing a job that is really interesting to me and offers lots of opportunities for learning. So right now I'm just happy to be in that type of environment.